peeps. Yes, the desert plants one by one. Read the clues and join the fun. I have sharp needles, no leaves to be found. I store water deep underground. It's a cactus. I bloom at night with flowers so bright. In the desert I'm a lovely sight. It's a desert flower. My roots grow deep, I'm tough and strong. I survive where it's dry all year long. It's a desert tree. I'm tiny and green, I spread on the sand. I thrive in the heat of this dry land. It's desert grass. I look like a ball with spikes all around. My water-filled body hugs the ground. It's little cactus. I grow tall and wide, my leaves are blue-gray. I'm known for tequila in a special way. It's an agave. My leaves are waxy, my flowers are white. I'm the tree of life in the desert's light. It's a Joshua tree. I grow in dunes and hold the sand tight. My grass-like stems make the desert bright. It's a sand verbena. I'm a shrub with a smell both sharp and sweet. My resin protects me from the desert heat. It's a creosote bush. How many did you guess? Let's see. The desert is amazing, don't you agree?